Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm doing a backrest of a transporter, a T4 driver's seat. So what I'm doing now is I'm turning the cover inside out and I'm going to be doing all my markings. So this will just indicate when I take or cut the cover apart. The markings will show me where I can put everything back together in the right place, so it's nice and it's fitted and it's nice and even and straight, and it's probably the most important part when you come in to upholster a seat. Two. So as you can see here, I'm doing my markings. I just do lots of little lines and also number the panels. To be honest, you can do anything. You could number, you could letter, and the more stuff you write on the back of this, the better really, because you just don't want to get confused, because during this video, once I've taken it all apart, it can get very easily, it can just get very complicated very easily. So if you've got nice and simple and effective markings, it's going to save a lot of hassle. So I'm happy with all my markings and numbers and letters and whatever, and now I'm going to cut out for all the panels. So in this seat I'm going to have a centre panel of fabric, and then all the outers are going to be in a red vinyl. The vinyl is actually from a company called Martrim, very good quality. And I think the key with vinyl is you can go on eBay or whatever website and buy it for very cheap, but if you're going to be working with it, it's a lot harder to use when it's cheaper vinyl, because it needs like a certain stretch, and some cheap stuff have no stretch or too much stretch. So the good quality vinyl really will save you a lot of time, hassle. So yeah, I'm cutting all the panels out, as you can see now. And we'll then use those as a template for my new materials. Fast forward a little bit now, I have all my new fabric and vinyl cut out, and that grey material underneath, you can see it's called scrim, and it comes in millimeters, anything from I think 2mm up to 20-25mm, and it basically gives it more of a plump feel, and it's very important when you're going to use anything like fabric or vinyl, and I put that under nearly every piece of my work, and it also gets rid of a lot of creases and stuff like that, so it's a good tip to know really. Every bit of auto upholstery work that I do, I always start from the centres outwards. So here you start with the fabric piece and then the upper vinyl piece, and then sew those two together. So what we've got here is calico, and it's quite a strong fabric, and it can be in auto upholstery. It's used for a bit of a holder for anything from plastic clips, metal rods, anything like this. So as you can see now, I need to add this to the back because there's a metal bar, which I'll show you later on, which gets attached to the seat itself, and that's what really pulls the seat covers in. As you can see, that's the metal bar that I had to take off when I took the old cover off. So that just gets fitted in that pocket there now, and then from then on we're going to sew the sides together and then add the piping. So it's all coming together now, it's looking really nice. All the scrims at the back, everything's sewn together, it's all looking pretty straight and flush. And now I've decided to add some piping. I quite like the finish of it. I'm going to be making a separate video for this because I think it will be better and probably easier to explain it in a separate video. But for now, it's 3 more piping wrapped in the red vinyl, and making sure all my seam allowances are all correct. So I'm going to be putting that on and then adding the final back piece. Front's looking good, can't see any issues or anything like that. So now is to add the back panel, and then we can go on to add in the rest of the plastic clips, etc. Hope you like this video, guys. This is the finished piece in my van. It looks pretty rad. Please subscribe, like and comment, and some more videos coming soon. Thank you.